Here's how the Pathfinder panel works. Starting with the shape modes commands, unite will unite your selected shapes, -front crops the back shape using the front shape, intersect creates a shape out of the area where your shapes are overlapping, while exclude creates a shape out of the area where your shapes do not overlap. Moving to the second set of commands, the divide option creates separate shapes for both overlapping and non-overlapping areas. Trim allows you to crop the back shape using the front shape, and unlike the -front command, you keep the front shape. Merge will unite the shapes that share the same color attributes and crop the ones that don't. Crop creates a new shape for the overlapping area and an outline for the rest of your front shape. Outline will turn your selected shapes into outlines. And finally, -back does the opposite of -front, as it crops the front shape using the one in the back. That's it. If you wish to learn more, feel free to subscribe to this channel, and you can also find us at tutsplus.com.